Hello guys! As I promised, today I will tell you in greater detail about where to find the right words which you are to learn in the first place and how to use the Leitner system of learning new words in practice. I don't think that many of you know about my economic education, so I have one and I want to tell you about the Pareto principle. It says that only 20% of your action give 80% of results. I suggest you apply this principle when you're learning new words too. The words that you learn should be the right words. What do I mean by this? They should be the most frequent words, especially if you are a beginner. And they should be suitable for simple dialogues from the very beginning. So, the first source where you can find these words is books for students. All new books are quite good. They have not only grammar, but dialects as well. And even in the exercises you can find useful words. If your book of learning Russian is too old, be careful, because all old books which I have come across are not good for conversational language. The language in them is not real, it's like plastic. Also, you can use my Instagram or YouTube. I already have more than 1,000 posts on the Instagram and dozens video on YouTube. A lot of them go along with useful vocabulary. Okay, so what should you do with these words? You take a paper, beta carton and make a flashcard. From one side you put the word in Russian, from the other side the word in English or your native language. This way you work until you find at least 10 words, but better 20 or 30 words. I have already made a list of these words for you with examples, audio and visualization, and it's not just a list with a set of words. Those are ready flashcards. All you need is to print them, cut and use. For one day I offer to learn 33 words, and in a month you will learn over 1,000 words, which cover 75% of all Russian conversational language. In the next video you will know how to get these flashcards.